Hello friends, welcome back to my channel IELTS Catalyst. Today we'll be discussing writing task 2. The topic is some people prefer to raise children in the cities while others believe the children should be raised in the countryside. Discuss and give your opinion. This type of task 2 essay is discuss and give your opinion. So we have to discuss both the views and at the end we have to give which side we are, which side we prefer. So let us see the layout of the essay. First, as it is, we have to start with the introduction. We have to paraphrase the question, and we have to, if you are willing to state your opinion in the introduction as well, it is okay. You can state that. Second is, in body paragraph 1, we have to state the reason for cities, and in second body paragraph, we have to state the reason for countryside. And in the end, in conclusion, we have to summarize all the points and we have to give our opinion. Let us begin. In first introduction paragraph, in this contemporary era, society is polarized into two distinct groups. One who supports the view of children must be brought up in metros, while other group who are in favor of raising their offspring in rural areas. This essay will examine both the views before arriving to an appropriate conclusion. So next move on to the first body paragraph. The primary reason people put forward to uphold their stand to be in developed areas is these areas provide world-class infrastructures and numerous facilities such as schools, colleges, sports centers and recreational parks, which in turn assist in child's mental as well as physical development. So this was the first point, and it is supported by one example. For instance, according to a report published in Times Magazine recently, shows that about 70% of students who were successful in various competitive examination belongs to urban areas. Another argument which makes the view stronger is global cities offer numerous job opportunities and environment for a startup business. In addition to this, it also provides an excellent platform for like-minded youngsters to study and work in a healthy competitive atmosphere. So I have stated 3 to 4 reasons for why children has to be brought up in the cities, and one example. Next, move on to the next body paragraph, wherein we have to state some reasons for why children has to be brought up in countryside or rural areas. On the contrary, some believe that the countryside is the ideal place for the pupil. Firstly, these areas are free from harmful pollution like noise and air. Thus, healthy mind resides in a healthy body, which is a major advantage. For example, statistics from government schools attendance record reveals that students in the rural background have over 90% of average attendance compared to 75% for urban counterparts. Secondly, another luxury these areas have to offer is quiet and calm environment for pupils to study with large space for outdoor sports, which cities lack owing to limited space availability. So in second body paragraph, I have stated two important points which supports the children has to be brought up in the rural areas. In conclusion, in line with the ideas presented above, it is crystal clear that both the sides hold their respective positions and sense of relevance. However, I am of the firm opinion that cities have a upper hand when compared to the countryside. If you like my video, please subscribe, hit the like button, and if you are interested in one-to-one class, please contact 9328661213. Thank you.